China's recent promotion of a suicide drone similar to Russia's Lancet in Pakistan. This development has significant implications for regional security and international defense dynamics. The Lancet is a loitering munition developed by Russia, designed for precision strikes against ground targets. It combines surveillance and attack capabilities, allowing it to hover over an area before engaging targets. The Lancet has been utilized in various conflict zones, demonstrating its effectiveness in modern warfare. China has developed a suicide drone that closely resembles the Russian Lancet in design and function. This drone features advanced targeting systems and loitering capabilities, enabling it to perform precision strikes. China's rapid advancement in unmanned aerial vehicle technology reflects its growing influence in the global arms market. China is actively promoting this Lancet-style drone to Pakistan, a key regional ally. The introduction of such technology could enhance Pakistan's military capabilities, particularly in precision targeting and asymmetric warfare. This move also signifies the strengthening defense cooperation between China and Pakistan. The deployment of advanced loitering munitions in Pakistan may alter the security balance in South Asia, prompting neighboring countries to reassess their defense strategies. China's export of sophisticated UAV technology indicates a shift in the proliferation of advanced military systems, raising concerns about their use in various conflict scenarios. This development underscores the deepening military ties between China and Pakistan, potentially influencing geopolitical alignments in the region. In conclusion, China's promotion of a Lancet-style suicide drone in Pakistan is a noteworthy development in international defense affairs. It highlights the rapid evolution of military technology and its impact on global security dynamics. We will continue to monitor these developments and provide updates as more information becomes available.